Okay, this is the circuit we have done in the previous activity, that is the starting activity. And what we have done, we have made a simple circuit which consists of battery, LED, a resistor, and the breadboard. So we had arranged all of these in a particular manner on the breadboard. So we can say that is a closed circuit, and once we connect this red terminal and the negative terminal, the LED will go off. So this is the activity. After that, today we go further on that activity, and we have to we connect switch. This switch. This is the tactile switch, and with the use of this switch, you can on and off the LED. With the use of this switch, you can make it as an open circuit. How it possible? Just do it. So before that, we have to be connected, disconnect this battery, and you can see there is a series with a resistor to the LED. That is a long leg of LED. You have to be disconnect this resistor leg of this resistor to from the LED leg, and this switch have a 4 pins. So out of these two couple of pins are connected internally. So you have connected like this. The pair of legs is connected with the long leg of LED, and the other terminal, that is the resistor leg, is connected with the another couple of leg. Okay, so the switch is between the resistor and the LED, and we have now connected this positive terminal and this negative terminal. Okay, the LED is not glowing because this switch is prevent to on this LED. So once we press this switch, the LEDs will go glowing and make it a closed circuit. Once it release the switch, it makes an open circuit. So this is the happening here. Switch is preventing from current from battery to LED. So once we upon disconnect and press the switch, this is allowed to send the current from the battery to LED. Or once you uh, don't press the switch, the button is not allowing the current from the battery to LED. So you can say this is the breaker, circuit breaker. So this is the LED. This is the main things, the main function of switch. Every day in our real life, the switch is very important. Once to on off the LEDs, on off the bulb, on off the switches, on off the television. The switch is very important role. The role of switch is very important in our daily lives in electronic circuit and robotics. So this is the thing we have done, and any problem you have faced, then comment me. I will reply it. So thank you very much for this.